In a quaint village, lived a compassionate girl named Lily. She longed for a companion and found a shivering puppy, Charlie. They became inseparable, exploring, laughing, and comforting each other. One stormy night, tragedy struck when lightning caused their home to collapse. Lily and Charlie clung together, but Charlie urged Lily to escape. As flames consumed the house, Charlie was trapped inside. Lily's heart shattered. Days turned into months, but Lily's love for Charlie remained unwavering. She cherished their memories and the lessons he taught her. The village supported her, but the pain persisted. Though Charlie was gone, his spirit lived on in Lily's heart. She vowed to honor him by spreading love and compassion. Their tale became a legend, reminding all that love can heal and inspire. Lily understood that despite heartache, love leaves an everlasting impact. It fuels resilience and drives us to care for others. Charlie's legacy lived on through Lily, reminding the world of the power of a bond between a girl and her dog.